Belly fat is a common concern for many people, regardless of their overall body shape. While some amount of belly fat is normal and even healthy, excessive belly fat, especially visceral fat, can pose significant health risks. This type of fat surrounds your internal organs and can lead to serious health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. In this video, we'll explore a highly effective, quick method to reduce belly fat within 24 hours. This plan not only promises a flatter stomach, but also detoxifies the body, making you feel revitalized and energized. Understanding belly fat and its risks. Everyone has some belly fat, even those with flat abs. It's normal, but too much belly fat can affect your health in ways that other fat doesn't. Overweight doesn't necessarily equate to unhealthy. Many overweight individuals are in excellent health. Conversely, some people with normal weight may have metabolic issues associated with excess fat. The problem lies more with the type of fat than the amount. Subcutaneous fat, which is found just under the skin, does not pose as many health risks. The real concern is visceral fat, the fat that accumulates around your internal organs like the liver, heart, and lungs. This type of fat can lead to increased risks of high blood pressure, heart disease, and certain cancers. Measuring your belly fat. Before diving into the plan, it's important to understand if you have an excessive amount of belly fat. The simplest way to measure this is by using a tape measure around your waist while standing. For women, a waist circumference of less than 35 inches, or 88.9 centimeters, is considered healthy. For men, the threshold is less than 40 inches, or 101.6 centimeters. If your measurements exceed these numbers, it's time to consider dietary changes and other lifestyle adjustments. The 24-hour belly fat loss plan. This plan is designed to be followed strictly for one day and focuses on consuming a series of specific drinks that aid in detoxification and fat loss. 8 a.m. Warm water with lemon juice. Start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with fresh lemon juice. This drink jumpstarts your metabolism, aids digestion, and helps in flushing out toxins. 10 a.m. Warm water with apple or orange juice. After a couple of hours, drink a glass of warm water with apple or orange juice. These fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which help in detoxifying the body and reducing inflammation. 12 o'clock. Green tea. At noon, have a cup of green tea. Green tea is well known for its fat-burning properties. It contains antioxidants called catechins, which enhance fat burning and boost metabolic rate. 1 o'clock. Cold water with carrot juice. An hour after lunch, drink a glass of cold water mixed with carrot juice. Carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, helping to keep you full while promoting weight loss. 3 o'clock. Favorite tea. By mid-afternoon, enjoy a cup of your favorite tea. Whether it's herbal, black, or another type, tea can help maintain hydration and provide various health benefits. 5 o'clock. Glass of favorite juice. In the early evening, drink a glass of your favorite juice. Opt for fresh, natural juices without added sugars. These juices provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your body's detox process. 7 o'clock. Green tea. Another cup of green tea will further enhance your metabolism and help in burning any excess calories consumed during the day. 9 o'clock. Water with grapefruit juice. Drink a glass of water mixed with grapefruit juice 2 hours before bed. Grapefruit juice is known to improve insulin resistance and is rich in nutrients that aid in fat loss. 10 o'clock. Warm water with lemon juice. End your day as you started it, with a glass of warm water and lemon juice. This will help to continue the detoxification process overnight. Additional tips for success. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support the detoxification process. Avoid artificial ingredients. Ensure that all your drinks are free from artificial additives and sweeteners. Natural ingredients are key to the effectiveness of this plan. Follow a healthy diet. Alongside this 24-hour plan, maintain a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay active. Incorporate some light physical activity, such as walking or yoga, to boost your metabolism and aid in fat loss. Benefits of the plan. This 24-hour detox plan not only aims to reduce belly fat but also offers several other benefits. boosts metabolism. The combination of drinks helps in boosting your metabolism, making your body more efficient at burning calories, improves digestion. The natural ingredients in the drinks aid in digestion, helping to reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. Enhances energy levels. By detoxifying your body, this plant can leave you feeling more energized and refreshed. Supports overall health. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in the juices and teas support overall health, enhancing your immune system and reducing inflammation. Excess belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is a major health concern. However, with the right approach, it's possible to reduce this fat quickly and efficiently. The 24-hour belly fat loss plan outlined in this video provides a structured approach to detoxify your body, boost your metabolism, and flatten your stomach. By following this plan, along with maintaining a healthy diet and active lifestyle, you can achieve and maintain a healthier body.